In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your contacts in HubSpot. Segmentation helps you organize contacts into meaningful groups so you can personalize communication, analyze performance, and trigger targeted automations. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, useful segment using HubSpot's built-in tools. Start on the HubSpot homepage. From here, navigate to Segments. This is where you'll manage the different groups of contacts you want to target. Opening segments gives you a clear view of any existing groups and a simple way to create a new one. Next, select Create Segment. This action opens the segment builder so you can define who should be included. Think of a segment as a living rule set. When a contact matches your criteria, they're in. When they no longer match, they're out. This keeps your targeting fresh without manual list maintenance. When the creation screen appears, click next to move into the configuration area. This takes you to the place where the real work happens, building the logic that defines your audience. Now click Add Filter. Here you can choose between properties and events. Properties are the data points stored on a record, like lifecycle stage, job title, region, or last activity date. Events represent actions a contact has taken, such as submitting a form, opening an email, or viewing a page. Use properties when you're filtering by known attributes, and use events when you want to capture behavior. Combine both for powerful targeting, like contacts in a specific industry who recently engaged with your content. Keep your criteria specific and avoid stacking too many unrelated conditions. Clear segments are easier to maintain and perform better. Use and when all conditions must be true, and OR when any one of several conditions is acceptable. As you add filters, be deliberate about inclusion and exclusion to prevent overlap with other segments you use. When your filters look right, click Next. This is a good moment to review your criteria and confirm they reflect your intent. Small adjustments now can prevent messy audiences later. Finally, click Save and Process Segment. HubSpot will evaluate your database, apply your rules, and populate the segment. This can take a moment depending on volume. Once processed, you can use the segment in email sends, ads, reports, and workflows. Keep an eye on membership over time. If the count grows or shrinks unexpectedly, revisit your filters to keep the logic aligned with your strategy. That's it. You've created a precise, reusable segment in HubSpot that keeps itself up to date and supports smarter, more effective marketing.